a technique that locksmiths like myself have used over years to gain access into customers' homes when they're locked out, is now being used by criminals. This technique is called lock bumping, and it works on more than 90% of US homes. A few taps on a bogus key is all it takes for a thief to gain access into your home.
There are simple solutions to protect you against this growing criminal trend. Home alarms, pets, outside home lighting. These solutions can become expensive if they're not already implemented and do not always stop a determined burglar. The best solution would be to buy a better designed lock. Higher-end locks designed with patented, more complicated locks and tumblers are less vulnerable to bumping. Rotating disc, combination, or electronic locks are also less vulnerable. If these solutions are out of your budget, buy a slide bolt lock or chain. These can be picked up at your local hardware store and are easily installed. Call Alamo Key and Lock for all of your locksmith needs.